Please. This is a classroom, beta. This is not the audio section. So Devyasha, Ayansh, Jahan, both Jahan, Anu, Mickey, please switch on your camera, beta. This is not audio section. Devyasha has gone somewhere, I suppose. Please switch on your camera, beta. Once again, everybody, good morning, and now stop chatting. Good morning, good morning. Okay. I
Ma'am,
hope you have understood that chapter 8 of grammar unit 1 was the homework. So you will have to do it on your own. If you want, I will send you the answer sheet also. But chapter 8 was the homework because that is the comprehension. You have to read the paragraph, you have to understand it, and you have to write down the question answers. In grade 3, such paragraphs, many of such paragraphs we have solved. Do you remember?
And ma'am, we have not done worksheets or tests.
Those tests we will do. Before Diwali vacation, we shall complete those tests. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Jahan Agarwal, I understand.
ma'am,
Yes, Ayansh?
your voice is coming low voice. My my call voice is full.
Okay, I shall try, but at least you can hear me, whether
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
in low voice
I
or
think you are
okay.
audible enough. Yes, yes. Clearly
Okay,
enough.
ma'am. Okay. So now listen, darling. First of all, I'll be presenting something. I'll be presenting something. I do not want you to write down anywhere. I'm just showing you a kind of worksheet thing. So we will all give answers chatting with communication. I mean, communicate by chatting. Okay. So I shall show you, if you remember in grade 3, on the board you have written
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Me too.
Ayush, wait. Yes, there may be some network issue from ma'am's side. It is stopped. Wait.
Yeah, I thought because my side is also raining.
Yes, yes.
Same.
okay. I had shown you some objects and I had asked you to describe those objects. If suppose I am there, when you look at me, you can say, oh, a fat woman. So fat is an adjective for me. Sorry, नेट गेलं परत. हा, पण मला पकडलं नाही जात.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible, ma'am. You speak.
I am audible, but I think few of you have net issues because 3 4 people I can see all of a sudden still picture. So please pay
Okay.
proper attention.
Ha,
I
ha,
am
but you
presenting you.
continue. Yes.
Okay. I am presenting you some objects, and you will have to chat the describing words about it. Is that clear? Yes. And what is a describing word? I hope you understand what is describing word.
Adjective.
Ma'am,
It's saying ma'am. Say, come on, what you have to ask me?
ma'am, ma'am, you have to write ball and then write
Correct
the
and no
different
mistake at all.
words or directly answer.
Rudra ma'am is saying
Lamma.
nothing to me.
Just a
Huh.
minute.
Yes,
Just a
ma'am.
minute. Lamma, color and full. Two different words, wrong English, and no need of using any capital letter, beta. See, this is what mistake you are doing. No need of using any capital letter for round, big. Please don't use capital letter.
Rudra is asking they have to write it.
In the chat box, nowhere else.
So we don't have to write in
Samu,
notebook.
it is not here. Samu, it is wrong. It is spherical, not sphere. Spherical. Yash Desai, don't use capital letter. Ayush Singhania, no capital letters.
Ma'am, we have
Trisha, Jishna, correct.
ma'am, we have to not write
Yes.
in notebook.
As soft copy. I will be sending this worksheet as soft copy. That time you may take a print, or then that time you can write down if you want. Preya Daya, hard. Okay, okay. Yes, correct.
Ma'am, first I used colorful first, but it was very up, and I just used one word. That's why I'm using these many words together. It's okay now,
No problem.
ma'am. I can't see the presentation. It's black.
Ma'am, it is all black.
It is black.
Presentation is black.
Yes, yes,
All
yes.
the
Have patience. Have patience, ma'am. Will check. Swati ma'am, your
Question.
presentation is not there now. Yes, ma'am.
Kanak ma'am.
Yes, yes. Now it is there, ma'am. Thank you.
All of you are sending perfect answers. Perfect. No using capital letter. Ayansh. No using capital letter. Riddhi Goyal. Summer is not the adjective. Summer is not the adjective. Freya, not chocolate. It should be chocolatey. It's not chocolate. Superb. Perfect. Riddhi Patel, Riddhi Goyal. Again, you are using capital letter. Ekansh Jain, no capital letter. And star is a noun, Ekansh Jain. It cannot be the adjective Ekansh. Capital letter. Very good. Your answers wrong. Gunavgura wrong. diary is a noun. It cannot be the adjective. Why I cannot see any answer from Dhairya Shah? Mikdad? Trisha,
Ma'am,
correct?
they are giving. Yes, I have seen them.
Okay. Gunavura, again wrong. Pages is a noun. Yes, Lama, correct.
Ma'am,
No, Lakshay Chitran,
ma'am,
both
can
answers wrong. Reading, Ayansh Jain, reading is an adjective. The word with ing is an adjective, reading. Miki correct, Vivan correct, but spelling wrong. Vivan, thick spelling wrong. Paranika correct. Yes, Riddhi correct. Preya correct. Anvi Kothari correct. Yash Desai correct. Ekansh Jain correct. Dhairya correct. Prisha correct. Yes, Gunav now correct. Vihan correct. Vansh, no using capital letter. Lakshay correct. Yes, all of you are correct now. Yes. Now the next. Knowledge is a wrong word. It is not an adjective, and plus your spelling also wrong.
Karnav, can you please for 2 minutes switch off your camera and drink fast and please be back in the classroom?
yes, ma'am.
What is this? Book is on school. What do you mean by that? We want one word adjective, Rahil. Book is on school. What do you mean by that?
Yes, ma'am.
Using capital letters, I am going to cut their marks, huh? Because here you are getting the marks for this. Now I am tired of telling you no using capital letters. Using capital letter. Beautiful, my God. Again using capital letter. I am happy with you for you have used the word wooden. Rajodia spelling stylish wrong.
Ma'am, is mine right? I've written.
I'm not telling you everybody is right.
Still stiff. Still stiff is right now.
No using capital letter. Spelling wrong. Vivan Patel, no double L will come. Answers. Superb. Is there anybody helping you, Guna Bhura?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then why your camera is switched off? Spelling wrong.
मैम मैं लेट रहा था.
Arna, beautiful. Dress to kill. Okay.
Ma'am, actually, I'm learning some new words and some high-level
That is good. It's good.
words in my other class. I have Trinity class also I've joined. So it's teaching me like
Okay.
beautiful. You can also say dress to kill for
But
handsome.
here for POs, you should not say dress to kill. You can say made to kill, yeah, designed to kill, decorated
Yeah.
to kill.
Yeah. Yeah, this cannot be dressed. Yeah.
Ma'am, I can't see your present screen. I opened the Gen also. Ma'am, I can't see
Vihan,
your screen. Yes, ma'am.
Can chat and communicate with me. Superb answers, darling. Superb answers. Good. Trishu, no using capital letter. Trishu. Rudra.
Vihan, maybe there is some network issue from your side. You just check out again, log out and log in again. Ma'am, presentation is there.
Thank you. Superb. Trisha started suggesting the teacher.
Ma'am, can you show some scary thing? I've also
Next
some
time I shall try definitely next time.
Prisha, it is not better, it is bitter.
words for I've learned many words for scared also. Like shivering in my pants and
Okay, Ayush, next time.
scared to death. I've learned many for scared.
Speak your vocabulary, Ayush.
All credit goes
Spelling of balloon wrong. Spelling of balloon wrong. What about your vocabulary? Very common things you are sending. Nikki, I'm expecting something. Prisha, no using capital letters. Yes, Prisha. Kanak ma'am told you, we understood. Will cut your marks for using capital letters. Goyal, purpled, it is not verb. You cannot use ed, Ridhi. So many. It is only many. Riddhi, why using only color adjective? That is all wrong. Yes, correct.
And now it's right.
Yes, Ayush. Is not an adjective. Superb. Risha, good. You good. Is this person? Who is this person? With
Doctor.
doctor. Correct. Correct. He is a doctor. So accordingly, I want you to use the adjectives regarding a doctor. Risha, no capital letter. Doctor is a name, huh? Please. It is a noun. It is a naming word. It is not an adjective. Something new. For his vocabulary, he wants to use this. And that's a good try.
Ma'am, this doctor can be a dentist also, na?
Yes, but
So
dentist
there are
also is a
many.
noun.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Ma, your answers are amazing.
He has
Ma'am,
written
mine.
small doctor.
Jen, doctor is a noun. Rudra Master, doctor is not an adjective. Now, next. I think you can use lifesaver word for trees also. It's a very good word. You can use it for a tree also, lifesaver, because it really saves our life. What is unreal? What is Mickey unreal?
Ma'am, your video is stopped.
Word. English unreal.
Ma'am, lifesaver in trees can come because it gives us oxygen.
I said lifesaver can come. One word for adjective. Riddhi Goyal, lovely word is really lovely. Good. Here is your elephant scary with scary face. Arna gives fruit, provide oxygen. These are not adjectives, beta. capital letters, please. One.
Ma'am,
Sir, don't send the sentences.
ma'am, I can't use these words in adjectives, right? Like I can't use. Uh, 1 minute.
Okay, Freya, but you have to give right now only one word adjective. Yes, Ayush.
Like can't like shaking like a leaf. I can't write an adjective. I think.
Because that is not an adjective. You
Yeah.
are describing it in a full sentence. So you cannot write so.
Yes. So I have to write something.
Correct. All of you are correct. And now the last word, last picture I'm showing. Telling you not to use capital letter. Now I have already cut your mark. Sorry for that. Agreed. No, Lamha, I can't help it. I'm a bakery girl. I like to eat all such unhealthy things, Lamha. This is the reason why I am fat.
Ma'am,
Fat. For grammar textbook, beta.
Ma'am, you? I can't see your presentation. I think you have stopped the presentation.
Yes, Ayush, ma'am has stopped the presentation.
Chat. Go through the chat, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Isha?
Yes, ma'am.
Have a doubt?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
You darling, no test today.
Ma'am, Twisha wants to ask you something.
Isha, yes.
Ma'am, I have a downloaded app that is called Martination. It is, we have quizzes in that. So I was doing one quiz in that it was asking happiness is a noun, true or false. So happiness is not a noun, no? I have done
It is an
for
abstract noun. Happiness is a perfectly, it is a noun. Like anger, sadness, because these are abstract noun which we cannot see, we cannot touch, but we can feel it. It's a noun. The expressions are come under the category of noun.
okay, ma'am.
Please write down today's date and day.
Rahil, what are you doing? Ma'am, Rahil is not doing anything.
Rahil,
I'm done.
finished writing?
Yes.
As soon as the class will finish, I will send you the soft copy of this. Those who cannot write fast can do it afterwards. Today, grammar lesson 10.
Ma'am, page number.
Can you also show the seventh answer?
Ma'am, ma'am,
Say.
ma'am, as here seventh one, the elephants in wildlife park is very huge, and many words the starting letter are also silent. But how then? How will you know it is huge or huge?
Is not silent. It is huge.
Ma'am,
Home or huge. It is not H silent. No H is silent in huge. It is huge, not huge.
Okay.
ma'am, what is the page number?
Third number.
Gunav, you don't know the chapter? Ma'am is saying chapter 10.
I have written in the presentation the page number also.
Still they want, bus. They are not paying attention at all.
1 grammar textbook we have. See again, Kanak ma'am, 3-4 children I can see, but 3-4 children still picture is showing. So maybe today there is
No, ma'am,
net
I can
connection
see
issue.
them. Yes, but I can see all of them. They are like not still. I have put my camera off due to some network issues. That is why.
Fine, Kanak ma'am.
Completed, ma'am. Completed, ma'am.
Yeah.
Completed, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of TAM? Ma'am,
Then
Swati
Wild
ma'am.
animals
domestic
we have done
animals.
in KG.
Ma'am,
ऊपर देखो. Ma'am, tame
Wild
means
animals we have done in KG.
Ma'am, scroll up, please.
Swati ma'am, lamha. Swati ma'am.
Enough.
Swati ma'am.
Come on, Lemma, say I can hear you.
Yeah, ma'am, I thought that you couldn't hear me. Yes, ma'am, I was saying in the D1, in the D exercise, instead of a soft feather, could we write a soft pillow?
Okay, you may.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Puppy. Puppies are also soft.
Lama celebrating Father's Day today.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Then your father is also enjoying today English class with you.
Yes, ma'am. We are in Rajasthan. There is nothing to do.
Okay, okay.
ma'am, instead
Ma'am,
of a
can you write a long tree?
ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, a soft puppy will go because my sister has a
Yes.
soft.
Okay, Swati ma'am, I am leaving. I have a next class. Okay,
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
welcome.
And
Darling,
loud,
as it
can
is
we
time
write
up, beta.
speaker?
Time
And
up.
loud, can we write speaker?
Okay. So after a single minute, I shall stop presenting and you may leave the class. I am sending the soft copy as well.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Have a nice
I
day.
want to reading class.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Ma'am, I have to stay.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Yes, you have to stay.
Ma'am, can you give names in chat box who is in reading class?